Keep it coming back, slow and steady.
Clear on the left, all clear.
Looks consistent, no sign of contamination this batch. Agreed. Logging the moisture content now.
Airflow stabilized.
Pressure reading is optimal, boss.
The conditioned durum wheat exits the tempering bins and moves continuously toward the milling equipment, a display of precise industrial efficiency.
Silo 4 is approaching 90%.
Acknowledged. Recalibrating flow to line 3.
The conditioned durum wheat exits the tempering bins and moves continuously toward the milling equipment, a display of precise industrial efficiency. The tempering is holding steady, but watch the aspiration levels on the next shift. The coarse fractions are routed back through the secondary roller mills. Automated diverter gates ensure precision, optimizing the yield of the remaining endosperm. Continuous vibration classifies the semolina particles by size, while pneumatic lines ensure efficient transfer of the suitable material.
The sensors are showing optimal absorption.
Yes, the consistency is exactly where it needs to be for the next stage. The dense dough mass is meticulously guided into the extrusion line, ensuring consistent quality and flow.
Dough is pressed through specialized die openings, creating shapes like tubes, shells, or ridged pieces. Automated cutters then...
Pressure looks stable at 200 psi.
Cooling systems are nominal, moving to check the die temperature.
Tension. Dense pasta dough is forced through fine circular openings, emerging as long continuous strands of fresh spaghetti that move.
Here we see the synchronized rotating knives cutting the tubes diagonally, producing the uniform penna pieces which are immediately carried forward.
Tension. Dense pasta dough is forced through fine circular openings, emerging as long continuous strands of fresh spaghetti that move.
Here we see the synchronized rotating knives cutting the tubes diagonally, producing the uniform penna pieces which are immediately carried forward.
This is the first carefully controlled drying zone, where warm, humidified air removes moisture gradually, preventing Check the nozzle on line 3, it seems slightly obstructed.
Ramping up the pressure now, airflow looks stable again. The check weigher ensures every package meet the precise target weight. Anything outside the tolerance is immediately rejected. Threading complete. Ready to initiate sequence B.
Confirmed. Starting the run.
Check the alignment on that last batch. Looks good, print quality is consistent.
Pallet integrity confirmed. Ready for transfer to high bay storage. Scanning complete on line 5. Verification successful.
Set it down right there, secure the load.
Got it. Grabbing the next one.
Once the shipment arrives, our team ensures every pallet is meticulously scanned and inspected before heading to the replenishment areas.
After a meticulous journey from the mill, the pasta is finally ready for the consumer, aligned with professional precision.